In this video, we will be solving a problem involving geometric progression and exploring the range of a given expression. We will be using two different methods to solve this problem. So, let's dive in and learn how to tackle the problem together. The problem states that a, b, c are three distinct real numbers in GP and a plus b plus c equal to x times b. We need to find which value x cannot be taken. The options are minus 3, 4, 2, minus 2. Let's see how to solve. What they given? They given a plus b plus c equal to x times b. What they said, a, b, c are three distinct real numbers in GP. So, three distinct real numbers is nothing but the three real numbers are a, comma, it is in the form of a, comma, ar power 2. The first a is the first number a and b is ar and c is ar power 2. That is equal to x into the b is ar. In both the terms we have a. So that's why let's take it a as common. Then we are going to get 1 plus r power 2, that is equal to x times ar. Here a and here a gets cancelled. So we left only 1 plus r power 2, that is equal to x times r. Now right hand side we have a r, so that's why both sides divided by r. Then right side is going to be gets cancelled, so we left only x in the right hand side. In the left hand side we are going to get 1 over r plus 1 plus r. So this we can write it as 1 over r plus 1. Answer this as a equation 1. Here what we have 1 over r plus r. Suppose if we substitute y as this 1 over r plus r, then if we do LCM here, then it's going to be r power 2 minus yr plus 1 equal to 0. So we convert into a quadratic equation. And also they said a, b, c, three distinct real numbers. That means if you find the discriminant here, for the real numbers, discriminant is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So for the real numbers, discriminant is going to be greater than or equal to 0. That we know that. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So what is b here? Minus y. Minus y whole square is nothing but only y square. Minus 4 times a is nothing but 1. That is r power 2 coefficient, which is 1, and c is 1. So that is greater than or equal to 0. That means what we are going to get, y power 2 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. If we add both sides by 4, then it's going to be y power 2 greater than or equal to 4. So if y power is greater than or equal to 4, then y is going to be less than or equal to minus 2, or y is greater than or equal to plus 2. If you write the range for this y less than or equal to minus 2 or y greater than or equal to plus 2, the range is going to be, here y is nothing but 1 over r plus r, isn't it? So for this range is minus infinity to minus 2. We have a equal sign, that's why here you have to use closed bracket. Then union, for the plus 2 also we have a equality sign, so you have to use closed bracket here, then up to infinity. This is only for 1 over r plus r. What we have x as 1 over r plus 1. So that's why now you have to add plus 1, then only we are going to get the x value, isn't it? So that's why, so y is nothing but 1 over r plus r. So for this we have to add plus 1 on both sides. So minus 2 plus 1, it is going to be minus 1. 1 over r plus 1 is nothing but x. X is less than or equal to minus 1 here. R, what we have? Here also we have a y. So for y is nothing but 1 over r plus r. So for this you have to add plus 1 on both sides. Then it is going to be 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, which is 3. And 1 over r plus 1 is nothing but x. So now write the ranges for this x. So x belongs to minus infinity to, here we have a less than or equal to. So we have a equal to, that's why here we have to write minus 1 closed bracket union, then x greater than or equal to. So that's why you have to use closed bracket here, 3 up to infinity. So if you draw the number line here, so this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity and this is the 0, and here we have a minus 1 and here up to so on, and here we have a 1, here 2, then 3 and up to so on. So x belongs to minus infinity to 1, then it starts from 3 to infinity. So here we are going to get 4 and here we are going to get 5 and here also we are going to get minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. So our options are, what we have, x cannot be, the options are minus 3, 4, 2, minus 2. These are the options. So x is possible at minus 3 and x is possible at plus 4 and x be possible at minus 2. So only at 2 x cannot be possible, isn't it? See, in between x cannot be possible. X cannot be plus 2. So by method 1 we solved this problem. Now I am going to show this method 2, which is AMGM inequality. So what is AMGM inequality? A plus b by 2 is greater than equal to square root of AB. So how can you write this? You can write this as a plus b is greater than equal to 2 times square root of AB. So let's take this first equation. What is the first equation? 1 over r plus 1 equal to x. So from here we can take a plus b as this 1 over r plus r. So this we can write it as 1 over r plus r greater than or equal to 2 times square root of 1 over r times r. This r and this r gets cancelled. Square root of 1 is nothing but only 1. So right side only greater than or equal to 2. From the given question, they said a, b, c are 3 distinct real numbers. That means you have to check for the 2 cases. One is positive case and the other one is negative case. You have to check for both cases. If you check for the positive case, which is r greater than 0, then it is going to be 1 over r plus r greater than equal to. If you check r is less than 0, that means you have to take the negative values. So that means 1 over r plus r less than or equal to minus 2, because we are checking for the negative values. So for the negative values it is going to be less than or equal to. So if you write the range for this 1 over r plus r for the positive case, so it is going to be, we have a greater than or equal to, so that's why you have to use a closed bracket here, so infinity. And for the less than or equal to, we have a minus infinity to minus 2. If you write in combine 1 over r plus r, the range is minus infinity to minus 2 union plus 2 to plus infinity. But in our x we have a 1 over r plus 1. So that's why both sides you have to add plus 1. So you have to add plus 1 here. So it is going to be greater than or equal to 3. And here also you have to add plus 1 here. So it is going to be minus 2 plus 1, which gives only minus 1. This is nothing but x. So x is greater than or equal to 3. This is also nothing but x. So we can write this as x. Here the x range is minus infinity to minus 1. And here the x range is plus 3 to infinity. So the x range is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Then plus 3 to infinity. That means x can be minus 3, minus 2 and plus 4. Here also x cannot be 2. So in both cases we got the same answer, which is 2. X cannot be 2. I hope this video helped you understand how to tackle problems involving GP and range of expression using 2 different methods. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math tutorials and problem solving videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.